Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today I have this challenge lock here. Live, laugh, lockpicking. This one is by DangerousVP. Um, really like this lock. I love the idea of using these sparrow blocks as a template. I'm going to have to steal that idea because I have a few of those sitting around. I do also want to thank Dog X Magnia. I don't know how exactly to say that. But I do want to appreciate and give a shout out to her. This came as a big part of a package she sent me. Got this cool poker chip, this cool little alligator down here, some stickers, all kind of swag. So if you haven't checked her channel out, definitely recommend checking her out. Super awesome person, great lot picker. But anyway, let's see if I can get this picked, get everything in focus here. Alright. Hopefully that'll work. Find my picks, at least a pick, and let's get picking. Got a nice false set, a little counter rotation, a little bit deeper false set here, and see what I can find. A little counter rotation. Click. Another little false set, deep false set. Let's see if anything wants to talk to me. A little counter rotation. Right, pin one. Let's see what you got for me. Not much. Moving on. Come on. Alright, got a nice click. Alright, got it open. Alright, let's go ahead and zoom out here. And it did come with a key, but it's all locked up, so I'm going to leave it locked up, I think. At least that's the plan for now. Let's get a bigger pick. Almost there. Alright. Set that all aside. Get my shim. Alright. That worked really well. And shaboopy. So we got 5 pins in here. Let's see. Go ahead and drop those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing in 6. All standard core. Alright. Pull the shim out. Let's see what these pins look like. Nice serrated driver. A T-pin. Very nice. I really do like these sparrows cores. We got a serrated spool kind of situation. Oh, I didn't get his spring. Let me get that spring. 1, 2, 3. Go to the back now. 5 should be empty. I'm sorry, 6 should be empty. And it is. Moving on. 5. Very nice serrated pin. Oh. There's that. And then 4. Kind of a gin style. 2. There's that. So I'm going to do a close-up of these after. But first I'll highlight all the custom pins. So we got a torpedo key pin on one, and a serrated driver, really nice serrations. Got another torpedo key pin too. Here's that nice little T-pin driver. Great work. 3 is just standard on the key pin. 3's driver is this kind of serrated spool guy. Real pretty pin. 4 is another torpedo pin, more traditional torpedo. And that gin pin on 4 for his driver. And then kind of a serrated key pin on 5. And last but not least, we have this kind of serrated driver pin. Great work, DangerousVP. Thank you, Doc, for these. I appreciate it. I'll go ahead and do a close-up of everything, or try to. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.